Crazy Chef, big, 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 big vibe with the flavor. This chicken is my rotisserie style chicken. Burst of flavor. So what I do is I wash, clean my chicken. I take off the excess fat and I make a blend of seasoning with like different blends of herbs and spices. And if you want to know what's in the herbs and the spices, hit me up in the comment and I'll let you know. So all you gotta do is season. First you want to season the inside of your chicken. And I'm putting a potato in there. You can put a lemon if you want. I'm gonna stuff it with a couple of potatoes because I want my chicken to keep form. And you just take your spice, rub it all over your chicken, rub some on the top, rub some on the back of the chicken. Just gently massage your spice in your chicken. I'm gonna tell you, this is like a flavor booster. And stick around for the end of the video. I might show you how I give it that special vibe at the end. So, rotisserie style chicken, Crazy Chef type of vibe. So, what I do now after I massage my seasoning all over my chicken, I took some of the Crazy Chef hot sauce. And if you don't know the Crazy Chef hot sauce, I'm gonna put a link in the description for the Crazy Chef hot sauce. Big vibe. Once you rub it up with your Crazy Chef hot sauce, 350, 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until you think it's good. So if you want it kind of moist, 115. If you like your chicken nice and crispy, you just leave it in there until it's your desired vibe. And it should come out looking like this. Then what I do is I took some sweet chili sauce. I took some fresh thyme, some bell peppers, some garlic, and some olive oil. And I just mix that together and pour it over my chicken. And it created this beautiful, beautiful vibe. Look at that. Tell me you wouldn't want to have that on your table. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the vibe. Boom, big vibe.